As I said before, in this session I will talk about the align panel. It uses for objects place and their location toward each other. If you don't see the align item here, activate it from the window menu. Suppose I added a logo into the layers. When a shape enters the scene, align options are activated. Align left, stick the logo to the left side of the scene, and so on. To the right side of the scene, in the middle, and up, and down. I want to locate this logo in the middle of the scene. Instead of a mouse, use these two options to be in the middle of the X and Y axis. This part is unable to us right now because there must be more than one object in the scene to activate this part. I draw some shapes to show you. I turn off its stroke. I hold Shift and draw a square here. I go on this and press Ctrl D twice. With the V key, I move them. As you see, when I select one of them, the top row is active. But when I choose all of them, the bottom row activates as well. This row is used to position the shapes toward each other. Adjust the space between shapes with Distribute horizontally option. Adjust them up and down this way. That option brings all the shapes to the center. In this way they affect. Suppose they are in this position, but you want all three shapes to be in the same direction and their distances to be adjusted. Press this to set them in a row and adjust their distances with this. Do this to merge them on the x-axis. Use this yourself to see the effect of each in practice. The same is true for the vertical mode. This corrects their distance. The other item puts them in the vertical row in the middle. So it was the line options